Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seating, all blackout badging, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, sprayed bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. It's pretty early in the morning, so you're going to see my shadow, but here we're moving on to the interior, all black. You're going to have the storage and cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And move on to the seats. We're going to have these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Very nice. Left side you'll have your vents. And down below you're going to have your lighting control, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your drive mode selector. Onto the steering wheel, left side you'll have cruise control, forward collision alert, and the heated steering wheel. And the right side is your odometer cluster control and voice recognition with 2 matte black paddle shifters right behind. Moving on to the odometer, all digital obviously here. You can pretty much access all of our vehicle information, including your economy, gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. Moving on to the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google Maps and Assistant. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance or your trailer hitch camera, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa with the trailering app. Down below, lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as a hill descent control and rear lift gate. Lower, we're going to have our trailer brake controller and our dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side there. And to the center console, we're going to have extra storage, the new shifters, obviously the cup holder, and the center console with wireless charging, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. More storage on the side. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable, but still heated. Wood and chrome across, as well as the dash. Bose speakers up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And here you can access your reading lamps, your rear sliding window, as well as your OnStar and SOS. You're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires. Like I said earlier, you're gonna have the blackout badging, paint match mirror caps, and paint match keyless entry door handle. Black Trail Boss badging with the corner step bumper. Again, all black. Even the exhaust, all black. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. Of course, with the easy lift tailgate here. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on each side with an AC wall charger and about 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Storage again on the bottom with the cup holder storage. Speakers right next to it. Power windows, the wood and chrome accent. Hop to the back. Lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver seat. With rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. Pulls right in the center. Cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats and storage under the seats as well. Lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we had this quick review on this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Maps, trailer brake controller, tow hooks, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.